Hello everybody, Jamie at shopmasc.com. Welcome to another Mask Minute. So Jack Black has a product called Epic Moisture MP10. It's a nourishing oil. It's been available in the US for a while now, but it's finally available in Canada. And so this product is, one could say, a jack of all trades. Get the pun? No, that's not. Okay, I decided to keep that in because it's kind of funny if you like puns. Anyway, this product is very much a multitasking product. So the MP10 stands for, or means that it contains 10 natural oils. So it is an oil, so don't expect it to not be. However, this type of oil is the type of oil that can be absorbed by the cellular structure of your skin. It's got a really nice sort of, I don't know how to describe it, but it's like a lightweight silicone-like texture to it. So what does it do? Well, you can pretty much use it anywhere on your body. So you can use it on your face. It's great just for hydration. It's a really intensive moisturizer. You really feel the difference if you put it on your skin. If you put it on the night before, you'll feel a huge difference in how your skin feels the next day. Contains some of the ones that you might recognize are things like argan oil. Everyone's crazy about argan oil. Contains moringa seed oil, which is anti-aging, marula oil, grapeseed oil. All of these things can provide really intensive hydration. So face moisturizer, you can use it even as a pre-shave oil or as a standalone shaving product. It gives a great shave. And then you can use it on your body as well as a body moisturizer. So a little goes a really long way. I mean, I think I just did one pump there, and it was like, that would have been maybe 2 pumps would have been good for your whole face. But yeah, so it feels a little oily upon application, but it does absorb nicely into the skin, and it's got a nice oily consistency to it, not a greasy oily consistency to it. So if you're looking for a good little hydration boost, or a product that you can use in a lot of different ways, check it out, Jack Black Epic Moisture. It's on shopmasc.com, and of course, if you're in Vancouver, you can come see it here. Thanks for listening.